बहुत हेक्टिक गया, वर्कआउट का टाइम ही नहीं लगा, घर की रिस्पॉन्स। आज का हमारा सेशन है पिलाटेस वर्कआउट सेशन, जिसमें हम बिना जंपिंग, बिना कार्डियो, बिना HIITs के मसल स्ट्रेंथ करेंगे। व्हेन वी आर डूइंग इनहेलेशन प्रोसेस, हमारा रिब केज पूरा मूवमेंट।
Sumo squats with the circular motion. Exhale, hand and single leg.
Hello, welcome, namaste, welcome back to our YouTube channel Let's Groom Together. Please like, subscribe, share and also press the bell icon for the more future updates. अगर आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल, ताकि कोई भी नोटिफिकेशन आप मिस ना कर सके। तो अगर ये पूरा वीक आपका बहुत बिजी था, वर्कआउट का टाइम नहीं लगा, ऑफिस के काम में, बच्चों के साथ या फैमिली के रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ में वर्कआउट का टाइम नहीं लगा, तो प्लीज़ ज्वाइन आवर टुडेज़ पिलाटेस वर्कआउट सेशन। यहाँ पे हम बिना जंपिंग, बिना कार्डियो, बिना HIITs के वर्कआउट करेंगे। दैट विल सूदन योर माइंड एंड योर बॉडी. It will also relax your full body. So please join today's session. So Pilates workout is invented on the name of the Joseph Pilates in the 20th century. इन्हीं के नाम पे पिलाटेस का वर्कआउट रखा गया था। और पिलाटेस में हम वर्कआउट करते हैं ऑन अ मैट। सारा वर्कआउट होता है इन अ फ्लो, और ये डेफिनेटली आपकी बॉडी स्ट्रेंथनिंग एंड कंडीशनिंग करता है। तो पिलाटेस इज़ बेसिकली यूज फॉर द कोर एंड स्पाइन स्ट्रेंथनिंग के लिए यूज़ होता है। और अगर आप रेगुलरली पिलाटे ऐड करते हैं अपने वर्कआउट स्केड्यूल में, तो इट विल इम्प्रूव योर कंट्रोल ऑफ पॉस्चर्स, योर मूवमेंट्स, योर फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, मोबिलिटी एंड दी मसल स्ट्रेंथनिंग। तो लिए मैं ज़रूर बोलूँगी कि वीकेंड में आप पिलाटेस का सेशन हमारा ज़रूर ज्वाइन कीजिए। तो पिलाटेस में हम बेसिकली फोकस करते हैं ऑन द ब्रीदिंग पैटर्न के ऊपर। ब्रीदिंग हमारी बहुत टाइप्स की होती है, एब्डोमिनल ब्रीदिंग, थोरेसिक ब्रीदिंग, बहुत सारी टाइप्स की ब्रीदिंग होती है। तो पिलाटेस में हम फोकस करते हैं ऑन द लैटरल थोरेसिक ब्रीदिंग के ऊपर। इन द लैटरल थोरेसिक ब्रीदिंग में हम ब्रीदिंग ले रहे हैं बाय आवर चेस्ट एंड द रिब केज। व्हेन वी आर डूइंग इनहेलेशन प्रोसेस, हमारा रिब केज पूरा मूवमेंट करेगा इन ऑल डायरेक्शंस के अंदर। एंड व्हेन वी आर डूइंग एक्सहेलेशन प्रोसेस, हमारा रिब केज वापस अपनी ओरिजिनल पोजीशन पर आ जाएगा। तो मेजॉरिटी में हमें ब्रीदिंग लेनी है अपनी चेस्ट से। दिस इज़ कॉल्ड दी लैटरल थोरेसिक ब्रीदिंग। तो डेफिनेटली आप पिलाटेस अपने वर्कआउट में ऐड कीजिए। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद टुडेज पिलाटेस सेशन विद लेट्स ग्रूम टुगेदर। हैव अ सिप ऑफ ब्लैक कॉफ़ी. प्लीज़ ज्वाइन अस.
Here we go. 4 sets of heel up. Heel up, inhale, heel down, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Repeat this process 4 times. 4 sets of plie or same as squats. Suppose there is a ball behind your back. Hands straight. Repeat this 4 times. Now both heels lift together. 1, 2, up to 6 repetitions. Now squats, both heel up. Squats, both heel ups. Hands straight. Repeat it 6 times. Next is shoulder lift. Hands straight, up, down, up, down. 6 repetitions. Now move your shoulders in a circular motion. Up to 6 repetitions. Feel the full stretch with inhale and exhalation process. Now widen your legs. Do the wide sumo squats in pulsating form. 3 repetitions. For wide sumo squats with inhale and exhale process. These are the preparation exercise for the next circuit. 8 wide sumo squats with the shoulder circular motion. Here we go with the main circuit. Same last 2 sets in decreasing order. First 8 repetition 8 sumo squats. Back straight, hands straight. Eight sumo squats with shoulder circular motion, as we have done in the previous exercises. Four sumo squats. Back straight, hands straight. And the 4 sumo squats with shoulder circular motion. Two sumo squats with the back straight, hands straight, and 2 sumo squats with the circular motion. Now the last one sumo squat and the last one sumo squat with shoulder circles. Here we end up the sumo squats with the last 3 pulsating sumo squats. 1, 2, 3 and up. 1, 2, 3 and up. Now 1 heel up in the wide sumo squats. 1, 2, up to 8 repetitions. Balance your body. You can take support of your hands on your thighs. Next is side bend. Suppose there is a ball in your hand. So you have to move 8 left side, 8 right side. Keep bending yourself. Now same process, bending process with the pulsating form. 8 pulsating left side bends. 8 pulsating right side bending. Next is plank walk with the push-ups. So first of all, 1 plank walk and 1 push-up, knees on ground and push-up. Come back straight. Second round, 1 plank walk and 2 push-ups, knees on ground, widen your chest, 2 push-ups, come back and straight. Third circuit, 1 plank walk and 3 push-ups. Last fourth circuit, 1 plank walk and the 4 push-ups, knees on ground and 4 push-ups. Come back and straight your body. Next is cat camel pose. 6 repetitions. Inhale, stretch your body. Exhale, make an arch on your lower back. Repeat it 6 times. This cat camel stretch is good for spine and the strengthening your core muscles. It also increases the blood flow in your spine. Inhale, deep inhalation process, and exhale. The next exercise is box hold. Lift your knees slightly up from the ground, back straight and hold for the 15 seconds. Next is pike to cobra pose. Come in pike pose, make a V shape and then cobra stretch. Again, up to 6 repetitions. Next exercise is glute bridges, up to 8 repetitions. Squeeze your glutes and lift it and down. Squeeze and down. Squeeze your glutes, hold and down. Repeat it 8 times. Next is single leg glute bridges. Same exercise with the single leg lifting. Squeeze your glutes and down. Squeeze your glutes and down. Next exercise is 100 abs preparation. Lie down straight, bend your legs, lift your upper body and the 4 repetitions with 4 pulsating hand moves. Now make a 60-degree angle, lift your upper body, 4 repetitions with the 4 pulsating hands movement. Now make a 90-degree angle, 4 repetitions with 4 pulsating hands movements. So now we are done with the abs preparation. Now the 100 abs preparation sets. Do it in a one go or do it in a 50-50 repetitions sets. Start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up to 100 times, or you can complete this in a 2 sets of 50-50. Don't give up, just focus on your counting. Here the first circuit is just completed. The second set of 50 counts is just started. Take a deep breath. Here we go with the next round, the butterfly sit-ups, 8 repetitions. Legs in the diamond shape, lift your upper body, touch the ground and come back. Up to 8 repetitions. The next is the sit-up and the saw cutting. 8 repetitions each side. Lift your body, saw cutting, down, saw cutting, down. The next exercise is rolling like a ball. Keep maintaining your speed, otherwise you won't roll like a ball. Hold your legs and roll like a ball up to 12 repetitions. You can also clap your hands when lifting your body. Next exercise is bicycle crunches. Feel the full stretch on each side with the inhale and exhale process. Each repetitions each side. Next is single leg seated crunches. One leg straight and do crunches from the right leg and same as the left leg up to 8 repetitions. The next exercise is alternative Superman pose. Do Superman with the single hand and single leg. Do it from the both sides up to 8 repetitions. Next is the Cobra stretch for the lower back. Come in the Cobra pose with the inhale and exhalation process up to 8 repetitions. Now the last chest workout. The chest flies up to 8 repetitions. Now the last chest workout is the chest pull over up to 8 repetitions. Deep inhale and exhale. Deep inhale and exhale. Repeat it 8 times.
Done with our Pilates sessions. Let's start cool down. Sit down. Legs straight. Move legs up, down. Moving circular, clock and anti-clock direction. Moving clock and anti-clock direction. Bend your knee, hands down, try to touch your knee on your chest. Hold. सो आपका पिलाटे का वर्कआउट कैसे रहा? मैं तो वीकेंड में ये पिलाटे वर्कआउट डेफिनेटली करती हूँ फॉर सूदिंग माई माइंड एंड बॉडी। अगर आपको ये वर्कआउट पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ कमेंट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स। थैंक यू, बाय बाय।